Yep, let's go.
Go ahead.
Take off flaps.
Same fan. You're faster, but I don't care.
Ah, we're about the same.
This thing's fast. Look at this, man. This thing is moving. Alright.
You go ahead and cut. I'll go behind you.
China clear.
Alright, take it off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
This thing moves, you know? The F-4. Low pass.
Yeah, because I'm having a hard time catching you.
Once you get me, though, you're faster. I'm gonna chill.
Not by much.
This thing, it was a lot faster now. The fan's balanced.
Yeah, the fan balancing made a huge difference.
Yeah, because I was watching some videos of it when it wasn't. Dude,
It was slow.
That's half power right there for me.
It's a little below for me. Let me catch up.
God, you can't even hear mine.
No, you can't. Yours sounds way better than mine does.
I'm going full power pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, I can't even hear mine. I'm throttling back.
I actually saw the burner. That's cool.
With mine?
Not mine.
Oh, the purple?
Yeah, during the day. Usually you can't really see it.
I'm really low on the ball now. The nav lights on this thing are bright too.
There we go. Now I caught up.
Alright, what do you want to do? Fast?
Whatever.
You go fast again.
Well, yeah.
Pretty equal, honestly.
If I could actually catch up to you, we would be equal.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm gonna do a slow pass.
Okay.
You can go fast.
Oh, it's all right. I'm pulling up. Whoa! Hello.
What the hell?
This you hit some downdraft.
I must have hit a
I feel it right now.
Yeah, I must have hit it.
Yeah, it
that was close.
Knocked you down.
That was a little close for comfort there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I must. Yeah, I just hit one too, right there.
You feel it?
Yeah, there's like thermals.
30 seconds.
Thermal.
Thermal!
Gone now, so we can't really make the thermal.
You know what? I'm gonna do a downwind pass.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm up high. Don't worry.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
All right, you want to land?
Yes.
1. Time
Alright.
expired.
You
Gear
land.
down.
You just gonna land out of that?
Yep.
All right. I'll follow
Landing
you in.
flaps.
Landing!
Landing behind him.
Weird wind over there. Beware. Yeah, it's coming through us right now.
You guys got a crosswind.
Flaps up.
No matter there.
Look at that.
Very nice. Very nice. Look at how it rolls though. It just keeps going.
Yeah, I know. I'm like full up elevator and my brake.
Oh, you're a long ways away. Don't worry. Who's that? Oh, that's F-15.
Good.
Go full down.
Pull down.
Full down is better because it also improves your
Take it
steering.
off!
Steering.